like me to tell them a little bit about the business and open
Sure.
up like that?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is a real estate brokerage, all right? Does anybody know why you would come to a real estate brokerage? Anybody? Go ahead,
Nice house.
to buy a house. Or, there's two reasons. If you had a house that you wanted to invest, that's a superb answer.
Sell it.
Sell it, exactly. If you wanted to sell a house, or if you wanted to buy a house, you would call a realtor. You wouldn't necessarily come into this office.
Do you only do houses, or would you do businesses as well?
We don't really do businesses,
Okay.
but within houses, or let's just say property, right? That's a more accurate term. You have residential, which would be a 1-family, a 2-family, a 3-family, a 4-family, and then you have commercial, which would be anything larger than that, and stores.
You know
Obviously,
what I'm going to do? I think I'm going to have Dimitri here. Dimitri, get up
you
for a
can't see,
second.
right?
And just have you
That's a good idea.
sit here, and maybe you and Josh can share the seat. So there's room for both of you. You can move over a little bit.
Nope.
If you guys need one more chair, hang on, I got one more.